you saw.
Okay. I'm just gonna go to the vending machine so I can get some chips because I was confused. You wanna go look at the incident that happened in the restroom? I'm pretty curious.
Actually,
Yeah.
is it still there?
I hope so. Let's find out.
12 seconds later.
Alright.
You really pulling the camera
Exclusive
in?
footage.
What the hell? The damage. We have previous.
It's gone. We're missing.
Now, who would do such a thing?
That's messed up. Alright, we're closing it now. So now we're back on our venture to the vending machine.
You know they've been selling Topo Chico?
I have.
But yeah, but it's empty.
Oh, but they're out of Topo
All
Chico.
the Latino moms took it all.
All the Latino moms?
Yeah. They got what I want. They got the last bag. Oh, never mind. They have more bags here.
No.
I only have 20, bro.
That's so sad.
What the fuck?
Hey, but hold on. How much money do you have?
I got.
Show the camera.
I got 1, 2, 3. I have 520s. That's $100.
You have $100. You carry $100. Are you afraid it's gonna get stolen?
I didn't know I was carrying $100 with me until right now. Huh. That's a little.
That's insane.
should probably-
Can we get a quick look at your drive?
They don't have your crackers.
They
man.
don't.
They really don't.
I'm incredibly upset now.
It's okay.
I'm heartbroken.
No, it's all right. No, it's just they're just crackers. Don't worry about it, man.
I'm worrying. What do you think I should get?
Anything your white heart desires.
My white heart desires.
You say you're gonna be a white boy. What is your
Be a
white
white
heart?
boy.
Get something with raisins in it.
California raisins from.
We're gonna get
Trail
trail mix.
mix.
We're gonna get the. Yeah.
Better have M&Ms in it.
Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh.
Good job. Look at that. That's really good.
Okay.
Let's go see. You got the camera back?
Let's swap back.
She's on a phone call.
She's on the phone.
Yeah.
Are you gonna ask her to break a 20?
Maybe, if she could.
Maybe we should ask her in a minute. Students.
Oh, I think I know who to ask. Come on.
Okay. The librarian?
Yes, Miss Fitzgerald.
Miss Fitzgerald.
Yes, Miss Fitzgerald. One of my favorite people.
One of your favorite people?
Yes,
What
she's
makes
so
her your favorite?
She's very sweet, caring, and since she's like, I don't know, I've known her for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Very fun, very funny. We share common interests, and we like certain shows, like Better Call Saul and Breaking Bad. Ma'am, is it okay if we film here? Okay, go ahead.
We'll cut it out.
Hi.
Okay.
Excuse the mess. I'm trying to clean.
No, it looks very nice.
Trying to declutter, but
It has personality.
It's
It
got-
has a lot of personality.
decluttering requires cluttering to see what I need to get rid of.
Of course.
Yes. What's up?
Would you happen to have the funds to break a 20?
No, I need funds to break a 20 because
Really?
I owe Miss Trevino $10 for Girl Scout cookies, but I have 20s.
Miss Trevino?
The college center.
Maybe she is.
Miss Trevino. Okay, I'm gonna go to her now. See if she can break a 20.
Thank you, Miss Fitzgerald.
Let's say
Bye.
goodbye.
See what we can do.
Alright.
Like Girl Scout cookies?
You think she has Girl Scout cookies?
Maybe she does.
Maybe.
Let's find out.
Oh, I just remembered I left my phone in the class.
Why? Why do you want your phone?
No, I feel insecure without it.
Oh, okay. I feel like I should. I kind of want the peanut butter peanut butter patties. I'll get both of these.
Wait,
Thank you, though, Jesse.
if he has 2 10s, give me 20. Let's go to Jesse and see if he's got dollar bills.
See what we got here.
Oh, Jesse's the man. He's got dollar bills.
Pure ones, Pure ones.
Pure ones.
Nine.
$9.
Keep the change, bro. Okay.
Bye, Jesse.
Got change, bro. Got. I spent $20.
Yeah.
It's okay. I like.
You spent 11.
Yeah, you're right. We got $9 plus the dollar I gave you. It's fine with me.
Big spender.
Big spender. 2017. You know what happened 2017?
What happened to this?
I think Fortnite. No, chill out.
That was 20.
No, I thought no. I don't know. Chips. There's some chips going
there
on.
goes. It's down.
Why is it so loud? There's not enough chip though. I want more chip.
You want more chip?
I want more chip. I'm a hungry guy.
You had 2 sandwiches. Now you're getting 2 chips. And you have 2 Girl Scout cookies.
You know, sometimes enough is not enough.
No, you're like.
There's blood on this one.
There's blood.
There's blood on this one. Take my dollar, bro. Nah, he doesn't want my blood money, bro.
Doesn't want your blood. I think it's a sign.
No, it took it. It took it. It took it.
Here it goes. Here it goes. Ready? Here it comes. Here it
We're getting
comes.
stuck now.
And
There you go.
is that it?
Yeah, we're good here.
Will that satisfy your greed?
It does satisfy my
All right.
The Dark Wizard.
Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We love casting spells. This song is sponsored by the Shadow Government.
Show your spoils.
We got.
Your spoils.
Told the teacher I'm going to the restroom.
Yeah. Now you coming back.
Did a little trading. I'm 2 boxes of cookies richer and 2 bags of
You mean
hot
you're
Cheetos.
2 boxes of cookies poor,
No, richer. Because I have these cookies.
but you bought them with.
How am I going to explain this to the teacher when we get back to class?
Tell him you were in the restroom and
A little elf came up to me. I know. Double it and give it to the next person.
Double it and give it to the next person.
exactly. And look, you have quadruple. You have quadruple. Now you have all these snacks.
All right.
And
You're
I
right.
have a camera. So
You're
now
so
we're
right. You're so true.
cool, and our journey has come to an end now. Because now we gotta explain to the teacher where we've been.